On one hand, you should be able to collaborate with people who are different with you, but on the other hand, you should be an asshole? Why? 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 Hey, my name is Wiktoria Dalach and I make videos about working in tech for women in tech. Today I have a very special video for you because if you follow me on LinkedIn or you've seen some of my videos, you know how passionate I am about calling out bad job postings. And I think that if you're a woman, you should never read that job posting, especially the requirement section. You should just apply for the job. Today I will go through some job postings with you and comment on what I think is bad in there. Like, job postings are full of crap and they answer the wrong question. Instead of focusing on what do you need to be successful at the job, they focus on what's our tech stack. And it's just a wrong approach that creates this another layer of gatekeeping for women and underrepresented group to get into tech. This video will be helpful for you if you're looking for a job and if you're a hiring manager. Hopefully, if you're a hiring manager, this video will inspire you to go through the job postings that you are responsible for and cut the crap out. Okay? So let's go. Today I will comment on the big companies and their job postings. So first, let's start with AWS, software development engineer, AWS identity. I go straight to qualifications, requirements, because this is where the gatekeeping happens. Okay, so in basic qualifications, we see that you need a bachelor's degree in computer science or combination of technical education and work experience, and then immediately you have 4+ years of software development experience. So I don't have a bachelor's degree in computer science. I have 8 years of software development experience, and it makes me quite uncomfortable, you know. If you require people to have already like good amount of experience, why do they have to have bachelor's degree in computer science? Why? Like, is it a job? It's a job for a software development engineer. It's not. Why? It doesn't. You don't have to have like an academic background to be successful. Or if you do, then why? If you do have to have this academic experience, why? And also, no. It is like something that, like, a lot of women comes into tech after finishing some other program, not computer science, because we know that just a few women study computer science. So why would you put it into basic qualifications? I don't understand. And if you require like 4 years of experience already, then this is not necessary. Like this is already covered, right? You can get rid of this bachelor's degree. Experience building software systems that have successfully delivered to customers. Yeah, that makes sense. Self-directed and capable of working effectively in fast-paced environment. Yeah, I mean, I understand this phrasing is a little bit chunky. I understand, but how can you have, for example, if you have already 4 years of software development experience, how can you not have experience building software systems, you know? I mean, maybe all of your startups failed, but does it mean that you're self-directed? Should you just cross out I don't know. Is it possible to have 4 years of experience and not deliver anything? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. Okay, so preferred qualifications. First of all, I wonder if you have basic qualifications and preferred qualifications, does it mean that if I only meet basic qualifications, I have no chance of being hired? You know? Why would you have that? Like, do you hire people who meet only basic qualifications? I would be rather. I wouldn't be so confident to apply for a job that I only meet basic qualifications for, you know? So if you put it there, it probably maybe lowers the chance that I will it definitely lowers the chance that I will apply. Preferred qualifications. Experience owning mission critical 24/7 systems. Ability to take a project from scoping requirements through after lunch. Strong understanding of the experience. Startup experience. Interesting. So, able to work in a diverse team. You know, this is so much. And do you have to, like, the thing is, that when I read those preferred qualifications, I read it as end statements. So experience owning mission critical and ability to take a project and strong understanding and startup experience and interests. So for example, if someone worked for, this is Amazon, so if someone's worked for Google, they are not meeting this requirement because Google is not a startup, it's a corporation, you know? So why would you put it into preferred qualifications? It's totally nice to have. Really, like, if you are a hiring manager, don't make it so long. Don't make the list so long. This is not really answering does it really answer the question, like, who you need? It more answers the question, like, about the tech stack, like Kotlin, Java, Go. Like, I understand that maybe some like the knowledge of it's needed, but an experience with NoSQL databases, like, is it like if you have someone who has like great experience in those Kotlin, Java, Go programming languages, then but they have no experience with NoSQL, then you would not hire them. And as a woman, I will not apply for the job if I don't have this and that, you know? So this is just too much. And on one hand, look, and on one hand you are self-directed, but on the other hand you're able to work in a diverse team. And it's so how is it? What can I expect? You know? Why do you put so much into this job posting? And the startup experience is just bullshit. It's just no. Like this should be drastically edited, I think, because it is an example of a job posting requirements that are just too wordy. There are some statements that are contradict each other, and it's just ridiculous. Startup experience, able to work in a diverse team, but you need to be self-directed. So on one hand, you should be able to collaborate with people who are different with you, but on the other hand, you should be an asshole. Like, you can do better, AWS. Let's see what Meta has for us. So software engineer, product. Oh, responsibilities, okay. Qualifications. Okay, oh wow, that's also wordy. Okay, requires a master's degree in computer science, information system analytics, and mathematics, statistics, physics, applied sciences, or related field. Requires investment research program, master's thesis, or 6 months of experience in following. Okay. So you have to have a master's degree. You have to have a master's degree. No, like you have, it's minimum qualification. You must have a master's degree to work for a company that was started by a dropout. Yeah, that's lovely. Okay, or 6 months of experience in. Okay, so as I understand it, you need to have this you must have master's degree or 6 months of experience. So your master's degree is worth 6 months of experience. That's hilarious. But what do you have to have experience in? Okay, so C, C++, Java, or C#. Yeah, building large-scale infrastructure application, like in 6 months. Creating web applications using at least Python, PHP, or Ruby. Databases or SQL, excuse me. Web interfaces using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Leveraging frameworks, React or React Native. Conducting design and code reviews. Okay. So how I read it is that you should have, okay, so you have 6 months of your life during which you program in C, Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React or React Native in 6 months. What kind of what kind of company gives you this kind of diversity of technologies to work with in 6 months? How is it really feasible? Can you understand it? I don't understand it. And of course, you have to have experience in relational databases and SQL. Yeah, so how do you have this all in 6 months? I don't understand. Yeah, okay. But this is like minimum qualifications and you don't have any other qualifications. Okay, so this is only that. So you either have master's degree in computer science and all of this, or you have 6 months of experience in these technologies. Or maybe you have to have 6 months in each. So then you would have to have like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would have to have 4 times 6 months is like 2 years of experience. Is it how you read it? This is so confusing to me. This is very weird. Okay. Yeah, but do you understand what I mean? It's just so wordy. And this is like everything. And it really does explain the tech stack that you may be working with, but who do I have to be as a person? Okay, let's see what Microsoft has for us. Senior software engineer. Responsibility. Okay, qualifications. Your job responsibilities. What? Qualifications, job responsibilities? Huh? Oh, okay. So they made a mistake and they put responsibilities into qualifications and qualifications into responsibilities. Yeah, okay. I'm here. I'm present and stand. Okay, 6+ years of experience, software development in web technologies, React, TypeScript, JavaScript. Okay. Bachelor's degree in computer science and related engineering field. Why do you need bachelor's degree if you already need to have 6 years of software development experience? This is something I don't understand. Why would you be so... Why? Is Bill... Okay. So Bill Gates is a dropout and you require a bachelor's degree in computer science for a person who already is in the market, like working for 6 years. This is not cool. There are so many talented engineers who don't have a degree, and it's just... I don't know what it was supposed to mean, but I think it was supposed to mean that you're just cutting yourself. You're cutting the branch. You're just cutting out people who are not able to go to the university, and a lot of, as I mentioned already, a lot of women enter tech after graduating from a different program. Not only women, to be completely fair. Like, there are so many different options right now to learn how to program. I think it's so lame to have this. Unless academic background is required for the job. It's like, without this bachelor's degree, no way you will understand us. Yeah, I can. I would love to see that. Effective communication skills, okay. Experience. Okay, so how can you have 6 years of experience and not have experience with software development lifecycle and agile? Also, who really knows agile? Honestly, this is something you can just learn at the job. Is it a must? I don't know. Should it be a must? Not so sure. Experience with commercial product development with strong focus on user experiences. If you require a person to have 6 years of experience, they must have, like in React, TypeScript, JavaScript, they must have experience with commercial product development. Or am I wrong? Like, am I too harsh for Microsoft? Tell me in the comments. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm unfair. Maybe. Maybe. But I think it is. Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad. But it could be edited and you could remove the bullshit and it would be then very good. So that concludes my little rant about job postings with the examples. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a person looking for a job, as I said in my previous video, just apply for the job. If you like the role, company and company values, just do it. If you're a hiring manager, thank you for watching this video. And please edit crap out of these job postings that you own. Really. And please make it much more inclusive, like easy to understand. And yeah, clean it up. Clean it up. Do you really need a bachelor's degree in computer science? Does the job posting answer the question, like who is the person we're looking for? Or rather, does it answer the question what kind of tech stack we have? So please be mindful of that, because really job postings are this gatekeeper. So pointless and so pointless. Like, you're losing so many people in this early stage of job search. So think about it. If you like this video, send it to another hiring manager or a person who's looking for a job. Like it, subscribe to my channel because I'm posting every week, and let me know if you in the comment, how do you understand those job postings, because they were confusing, weren't they? Okay, bye.